Convert 324 base 7 to base 10. Solution. What do we do now? We'll first write out the values. 324 base 7. Now we assign values from the back. 0, 1, 2. The next thing for us is to write out the expanding form. So we have 3 times what? 3 times 7 raised to the power of 2. Then plus 2 times 7 raised to the power of 1. Then plus what? 4 times 7 raised to the power of what? 0. What is 7 raised to the power of 2? That's 49. Plus 2 times 7 raised to the power 1, that's 7. Plus 4 times, what is 7 raised to the power 0? That is 1. Then 49 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Then we carry 2. 3 times 4, 12. Plus 2 that we carried. That will give us what? 14. So it means that 3 times 49 is 147. Plus 14. Then we have plus 4. 2 times 7 is 14. So 4 times 1 is 4. Now we add together. Now, 147 plus 14. That will give us 161. 147 plus 14, that's 161. Then 161 plus 4. That will give us what? 165. And what base? We are converting to base 10. That is the solution to the problem.